Welcome, dear friends. In this video, we'll show you how to make WhatsApp calls from Windows PC or laptop. In the end, I'll also discuss about the issues that you might face while calling. With no further delay, let's get started. As a very first step, we need to install the WhatsApp application. Please search and open the Microsoft Store. And install the official WhatsApp application. Let's go ahead and open WhatsApp. You can directly open it here, or for subsequent uses, you can open it from regular Windows search. The second step is to link your mobile WhatsApp to this PC or laptop. On your mobile device, please go to Linked Devices. This is the navigation for both iPhone and Android. Let me show it to you on my iPhone. Once your camera is activated, please focus it on the QR code on your PC. This confirms the devices have been linked. We are now ready to make audio, as well as video calls right from your PC. But before you make a call, very important point to note. You'll get a couple of access request prompts. Please be ready to accept them. I'm now able to make calls successfully. I hope it works for you as well. In case you are facing some issues, please follow the rest of the video. Please search and open Privacy Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select Microphone. Please ensure these two buttons are turned on. Most importantly, down below here, it should be turned on for WhatsApp as well. Go back and do the same for the camera. Please close WhatsApp, check the system tray and ensure it is not running. Now reopen WhatsApp and see if it has fixed your issue. Still not working? No worries, you have one last magic step. Please restart the PC and try making a call. It should work for you. I hope this has helped you. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you've any questions or suggestions, please add a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another helpful video.